Next video should come sooner, I hope.
Well, that was a fucking lie. Anyways, today is quite simple. We are going to blow up an A1 test article. Let's quickly go over it. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to how to blow up an A1 using only a few simple components. First off, you're going to need a bike pump, followed by the casing for said bike pump to connect it to the system. Then you'll need a small piece of PVC tube to connect the casing to the first check valve. The other side of the check valve gets connected to another PVC pipe, just a longer one this time. Make the PVC pipe as short or as long as you desire. Just make sure that if your article explodes, which it probably will, that you are out of reach. I repeat, out of reach. You do not want an exploding A1 in your face. Anyways, after that there's another check valve. Why another one, I hear you saying? Well, first of all, redundancy. Now we can afford to lose one before it actually starts being a threat. And secondly, now our middle tube isn't as pressurized as the rest of the system, which in turn might prevent some issues later down the line. It also makes sure we don't lose air as fast in case one valve is leaking. After that, there's one final PVC pipe piece and our test article itself. There's also a pressure gauge to measure the amount of pressure in the tank. This is what this test is after all. After assembling it and letting it cure for 24 hours, it was time.
So, we have a fully assembled test setup. There's just one issue to it. You can probably see it here, but the connection between the pressure chamber and the first check valve, there's something wrong with it and I am failing to pressurize it. I assume it's going to be because of the check valve, because you can see there's a line forming here, so that's probably the glue that's getting loose or something, or something else. Maybe the check valve design is just bad. So yeah, that's that. We just failed to pressurize it. What we will do now is just sort of redesign the whole system, print a new test article, and just do it better this time. Because right now it's just a system. You can see it's clearly broken. It's basically. I just wanted to get this over, to just get some data, so I can run some extra calculations for the actual flights. But maybe it's just better to do it right first time. So what we will do is we will come back hopefully sooner than 2 months, and then we'll just try it again, but with a more thought out system this time. So that's that. I hope you all enjoyed. Goodbye.
Well, that wasn't as explosive as I would have liked it to be. But as I've said in the clip, we'll make a new test article with the real QD system this time and try again. Stay tuned. Cheers.